All right, y'all, Charles here from AllCoastLawncare&pressurewashing. Washing. So we're gonna do this house right here. That's not paint, that's organic growth. We're gonna use 12.5% SH downstreaming. All right, y'all, here we go. Hey, so we're gonna focus on this side because I don't know why, but I was I'm using my camera to take a video, and I stopped the video for a second, and then I thought I started the video again, but I didn't. So this is just the one side, y'all. This is a satisfying organic growth I'm house washing. But check it out, y'all. This is some nasty stuff, man. So I don't know who painted this house, but they didn't even do a good job. You know, it's like bad. You know what I mean? Like different colors, and she just wants us. I showed her so she found us on Google, and what got her attention was she saw a house on there with a lot of organic growth like her house, and she was like, "Wow, the house on her Google page looked just like mine. That's why I called you. I need my house clean like that. The before and after picture was awesome." So that's why she called us, y'all. You know what I mean? That's why she chose us, because of those before and after pictures. So make sure you put those before and after pictures on her Google page, y'all, okay? It attracts people, all right? It's a marketing tool right there, before and after pictures. But hope you like this video, y'all, because I'm just holding my my phone, you know, trying to take a video. I broke my tripod again. Like, it's like cheap material, man. I bought it at Walmart, you know what I mean? The little mount for the tripod, and it fell and it broke again. Yeah, I got my downstream injector and a 5-gallon bucket of water now. Now I'm rinsing. Hey, so I hope this one side of the house is satisfying for you. Okay, so look, I know it's different colors, y'all. So that's not me. That's the person who painted this house. All right, so she's real happy I was able to get this organic growth off the house on all the sides, because her next step is to get the house painted. You know, but I don't know who painted this house, man, but it's like different colors. But hey, y'all, hope you like this. My house washing this one side of the house. Once again, 2 coats of 12.5% SH downstreaming. Other than that, y'all, hey, never quit or give up. And God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.